Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm literally still in PJs, but wanted to wish you guys all a happy fall. I'm going to be cleaning my room here a little bit. You guys can follow me on that. Right now it's a work day. It's Monday, October 2nd. Happy fall. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys in a day in my life. For now, enjoy me cleaning my messy room. Hey guys, we made it to my niece's school and I'm sorry I didn't record it, but I had to get ready so fast. But we're here and I'll show you guys the game. So just getting home from the game and she won. Woo! The lighting in here sucks, but basically I'm so excited. I got a package in the mail and it's from Macy's. Can you guys guess what it is? So I'm just opening up the package and this is what I got. This is the MAC Squirt Plumping Gloss Stick, and I'm sure you guys have seen this all over TikTok. Okay, so I moved locations, and basically what I was saying was that I will be using my lip exfoliator. My lips feel a little bit like chapped and crusty because I did just get home from the game, and I had other lip glosses on. But yeah, this is really, really good. Let me just go wipe this away. Lips feel much more moisturized and all of the dead skin removed. I really want to love it. I did hear, oh, right at the bat, as soon as you take this off, it smells like vanilla. It has a really good smell, and it smells like a lip balm, like a vanilla lip balm. Yeah, that worked. And I hardly put it all the way up. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Let me get closer to see if you guys can see the color. Well, yeah, it's very flattering, very moisturizing. So I think definitely bought it at a good time now that winter is coming. But yeah, this literally feels like this brand, like a chapstick. And I will talk to you guys soon, and don't mind my mess. But yeah. Hey guys, so it's now the weekend, and if you guys hear noise, sorry, that's like my washer. But I've currently just showered and I did my little skincare because I have an event with my job. I'm actually going to be going with my mom as a +1, so that's exciting. I have a couple dresses that I'm going to be trying on, and I'll show you guys because I honestly don't know which one I'm gonna wear. And oh my god, that noise is annoying, huh? See my skin, how like shiny it looks. Literally, it's sunscreen, and let me tell you, ever since I started using like the specific sunscreen, I'll show you guys which one it is. Literally, my pores, you can't even see my pores. They look so good. Yeah, currently in PJs, and I'm going to be trying some dresses on, and definitely, I don't know, by the time I post it's gonna be too late, right? But I'll let you guys know which one I choose. Basically, this video is gonna be a couple days in my life, but let's get dressed. So the first dress is an option. It's just a plain all black dress, and like I said, it is like a work event, but it's just plain all black, and it has like a zipper in the back. So this one's very nice, but I hope it fits me well. And then this is the second option. This is a smaller size than my usual, so I'm not sure if it's gonna fit me, but this is it. It's like a high collar. It's very cute. So this is the second option. The third, I don't know about this one. This one looks like a job interview dress. So, not sure. And then lastly, I did wear this one to another event and it looked really nice. But it basically goes like this, has a zipper in the back, and it also has a very nice slit in the front. Did I mention that it is pouring outside today? Our luck, right? But I'm going to show you guys now. Literally pouring. Like pouring. But it's okay. We're going to make the best of it. And I'm going to start doing my makeup so you guys can see me do that. And once I do my makeup, I guess you guys will see which dress I chose. And I'm also going to be doing my hair, which I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. The best sunscreen ever. I literally use it every day. And if you have dry skin, you're gonna thank me later. Look how shiny my face is. Anyways, let's do our makeup. Alright guys, now that my makeup is ready, time to whip out the Dyson. I have a love and hate relationship with this thing. I hope it works really well this time around. My hair is kind of damp, and I heard that's like the best time to use it to do like curls. I kind of do want to do curls in my hair. I kind of want to do waves. So we'll see. But basically I have the blue and rose gold one. I really wanted it so bad. And my sister literally hunted stores for this, so really grateful for that. Let's see. Okay. Very nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair. Alright guys, so I'm halfway there with my hair, and I don't know about you, but to me it looks very nice. Not very fond of the Dyson. Let's see how long this lasts. Let's see how much of a difference this will look once I'm done this little bit. But so far it looks very nice. Very nice. Alright guys, so this is the final look with the hair and the Dyson. I think it looks pretty good and very pretty. So now to figure out what I'm gonna wear.